Hey guys, Pratik here from SigmaMind AI. Today I want to introduce you to calling or campaign calling feature on the SigmaMind AI dashboard. What this feature allows you to do is to make hundreds of thousands of calls just by uploading a CSV file, and you can add multiple variables on this file and make these campaign calls. So you can schedule the campaign calls or make it live right now. So this is lead gen agent that I've set up for this batch calling, and as you notice, I've added first name as a variable which I have defined in the CSV file. Now let me show you how this campaign calling feature works. So you go to the nav menu and go to campaign calls. So under campaign calls, you just create a new campaign. So let's add the campaign name, say lead gen batch calling, and then you select a phone number. So this is the outbound phone number that is added to your account. You can just select any number, and then you select the outbound AI agent name. In this case, this is the lead qualification batch calling agent. Now you download the template for the CSV, and what I'm going to do is show you how this template looks. So this template has the phone number and first name, the variable name that we're going to use, and you can add more variables, of course. So then what you do is you just upload this particular sheet. So I've uploaded this sheet, and as you can see the preview of the CSV file here with the phone number and the first name. And now you have two options. You can schedule the campaign later if you want. You can set the date, time, and the time zone, and then you can send it now as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this campaign live. We're going to launch it right now. So there you go. It says status as live, and now I should get a call. So it takes maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute to make the campaign completely live. And yeah, there we go. I'm getting a call right now.
Online courses, and I'd love to help you explore the best options for your learning goals. May I ask what skills or subjects you're most excited to learn right now?
Thank you. So I'm just going to cut this call, and you can see the campaign went live, and so it's going to keep calling the numbers, multiple numbers that you have in your campaign. And the status now, it says completed, and then you can see the campaign stats right here. So it says the conversation ID, phone number, status, call completed, call picked, total calls, and voicemail as well, right? And then if you click on this, you will also see the conversation history. So as you can see, it picked up the variable name Pratik. You can also see the node level and system logs as well. And this is how you launch batch calling campaigns. Thank you.